Hey everyone, this is Sean here, and today I'm going to show you how you can use QuesTON, my counterweight system for the Oculus Quest, as a cable management solution for those of you who use earphones when you're using your Quest. So without further ado, let's see how this works. First step, we need a pair of earphones. I have some here. And you're going to find the port on the Oculus Quest. Either the left or the right side, they are both. And you can just plug it in, either one. And then remove one of the side velcros and clamp it between like this. So that it's clamped and neat. There we go. And now we just measure from the port to the meter of the counterweight system. Now I will give a little bit of access, especially if you have guests coming over with different size heads and you need to expand the headset, then you need to take into consideration. So I will let the cable loose a little bit, not too tight, unless you're the only one using a Quest, yeah? Then you can tighten it. And then from the meter, take 3 fingers and start looping the cable round and round until it reaches the point where the cable splits into 2, the left and the right earbuds respectively. Once you reach that point, take 2 fingers like this, pinch it so that you hold it in place. So now you have a looped cable like that. And I would remove the 2 side velcro straps here, which will come with your QuesTON purchase, already installed like that. Thread the left velcro through the looped cable and pull it like this. So I pull it to the left side, yeah? While holding the velcro with my right hand. And then I'll secure the velcro into place. So now the cable is already secured. Turn the cable over like so. Secure the right velcro. Now your cable is securely fastened, but you still have these 2 dangling cables here. So how you can conceal them, remove the 2 side counterweights. You start with the right side, and you don't have to worry it won't fall off because the inner side of your headband has already a velcro strip, so it will just dangle like this, no problem. So remember this cable we had running from the side? I would put it inside. Likewise, the right earbud cable, I'll run it through together. And then I will secure the counterweight once more. So let's start with this one here. And then this one here. And there we go. Now we do the same for the other side. Remove this 2. And then likewise, left cable goes there. Secure the first velcro. Secure the second velcro. And there we go. Now let me take this off. And voila! Look at that. You have an audio system now without any dangling wires, long enough to reach your ears, but not longer than that it will get in your way. Pretty neat, huh? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't seen my previous video on how to install the Counterweight system, I will put a link in the description below and also at the end of the video. Take care!